Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into something super practical: how to quickly create a playlist on Spotify. Whether you're getting ready for a party, a road trip, or just curating your daily jams, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. Alright, the first method we're looking at is creating a playlist directly on your desktop. This is perfect if you're already browsing Spotify on your computer. Let's walk through it. First, open Spotify and look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Playlists. Click on Create Playlist. A new window will pop up asking for the playlist details. Give your playlist a name, something catchy or descriptive. You can also add a description if you want to specify the vibe or purpose of the playlist. Don't forget to upload a custom image to make it stand out. Hit Create and there you go. You've got a new playlist. Now, let's add some songs. Simply find the song you want, click the three dots next to it, hover over Add to Playlist, and select your new playlist. You can repeat this process to add as many songs as you like. Pretty straightforward, right? But what if you're on the go and need to create a playlist on your phone? Let's check out how to do that. Open your Spotify app on your mobile device. Just like on the desktop, you'll find your library option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Now, tap on Playlists and then on the Create Playlist button. Name your playlist and add a description if you want. Once you're done, tap Create. To add songs, find a track you love, tap the three dots next to it, select Add to Playlist, and choose your newly created playlist. Easy peasy. But wait, it gets even better. Spotify has a feature that can help you create playlists even faster, using its Enhance feature. Let's see how that works. Once you have a few songs in your playlist, Spotify can suggest songs that fit well with your current selection. On the desktop, open your playlist and look for the Enhance button. Clicking this will add suggested songs to your playlist, marked with a little sparkle icon. You can either keep these suggestions or remove them if they don't fit your vibe. On mobile, the process is similar. Open your playlist, tap the Enhance button at the top, and let Spotify work its magic. It's a great way to quickly bulk up your playlist with songs you likely enjoy. Now, for those of you who want to create playlists without lifting a finger, you can use Spotify's pre-made playlists or the Made For You feature. This includes Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and Daily Mixes, all tailored to your taste based on your listening history. Just head over to your library and then Made For You. You'll find a treasure trove of playlists curated specifically for you. If you like one, simply click the heart icon to save it to your library. On mobile, go to Search and scroll down to Made For You. Tap on any playlist to explore. If you love it, hit the heart icon to save it. And there you have it. Several quick and easy ways to create playlists on Spotify, whether you're on your desktop or mobile. Music is such a big part of our lives, and having the right playlist can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. What kind of playlists do you love making? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, happy listening. See you in the next video.